Imagine arriving at your workplace and finding a suspicious package in the mailroom. What would your next move be? This unsettling discovery is not a scene from a suspense thriller, but a grim reality that many individuals and organizations face. Mail and package bombs concealed within innocent-looking envelopes or parcels have been used by various entities to instill fear or cause harm. But how can you distinguish a regular package from a potentially hazardous one? There are certain telltale signs. A suspicious package may be uneven or lumpy, bear oily stains, or emit strange odors. It may be wrapped in excessive packaging material or lack a return address. The address label might be poorly typed or handwritten with misspelled words. Recognizing these signs is the first step in managing a potential bomb threat. Your ability to identify these signs can make all the difference. Prevention, they say, is better than cure. But how does one prevent something as unpredictable as a bomb threat? We start with the mailroom. Implementing a mail screening process is vital. Consider employing specialized equipment that can detect dangerous materials. This way, we can nip the threat right in the bud. Next, the people who handle these parcels play a crucial role in this preventive system. Train your mailroom personnel to recognize suspicious packages. Envelopes that are uneven, lumpy, have oily stains, or carry strange odors should raise alarms. A package with no return address or one that appears fictitious is another red flag. Furthermore, designate a separate area for mail and package reception. This area should ideally be away from the main operations. In the unfortunate event of an explosion, this isolation can help minimize the damage. These preventive measures can help thwart a potential bomb incident even before it occurs. The key is to remain vigilant and prepared. Our surroundings play a crucial role in mitigating threats. A well-designed building and a vigilant staff can be your first line of defense. Consider the structure of your building. It's more than just a place of operations. It's a key player in your defense strategy. One of the critical aspects of this is the standoff distance. This is the space between a potential explosion, such as a parked car bomb, and your building. The larger this distance, the lesser the impact of a potential explosion, yet sometimes the danger comes too close for comfort. This is where blast-resistant structures come into play. Walls, windows, and other building components designed to absorb the force of a blast can significantly reduce potential damage. And let's not forget the importance of limiting entry points. Fewer entry points mean easier control and monitoring of access. It's like closing off all but one or two gates in a fortress. To further strengthen your defenses, consider implementing secure zones. These are areas with increasing levels of security. Think of them as additional layers of armor. If a threat gets past one line of defense, there are more barriers in place. Now let's talk about your staff. They're not just employees, they're the eyes and ears of your organization. Promoting a see something, say something culture can turn every member of your team into a vigilant guardian. Supplement this awareness with training modules that help them identify potential threats and respond promptly. Equip your staff with the knowledge they need to be effective in their roles as part of the security apparatus. And remember, practice makes perfect. Regularly conducting evacuation drills can minimize chaos in the event of a real threat. Finally, create an environment where feedback is welcomed and valued. Encourage your staff to provide input on security protocols. Their suggestions could be the missing piece in your security puzzle. Your building and your staff are not just assets, they are integral to your security. Together, they form a robust shield that can significantly mitigate the risks associated with bomb threats. The threats we face are ever evolving. Can our security measures afford to be static? Absolutely not. In the realm of bomb security, continuous assessment and improvement are vital cogs in the machinery of safety. It's not just about implementing measures and then resting on our laurels. We must regularly review our protocols, conduct threat assessments, and make necessary revisions. New technologies emerge every day, and with them, new threats. We need to stay one step ahead, investing in these technologies to enhance our security measures. It's also essential to keep abreast of emerging threats, both locally and globally. What can we learn from incidents elsewhere? How can we refine our methods based on these lessons? This constant cycle of learning and improving helps us ensure our bomb security measures are not just up to date, but effective. In the face of grim realities, a combination of planning, design, technology, training, and vigilance can significantly mitigate the risks.